1. What is Bitcoin and how does it work? Bitcoin is a form of digital currency that aims to eliminate the need for central authorities such as banks or governments. Instead, Bitcoin uses blockchain technology to support peer-to-peer transactions between users on a decentralized network. 2. How does Bitcoin make money? The Bitcoin network of miners makes money from Bitcoin by successfully validating blocks and being rewarded. Bitcoins are exchangeable for fiat currency via cryptocurrency exchanges and can be used to make purchases from merchants and retailers that accept them. 3. What exactly is Bitcoin in simple terms? Bitcoin is a digital currency which operates free of any central control or the oversight of banks or governments. Instead, it relies on peer-to-peer software and cryptography. A public ledger records all Bitcoin transactions and copies are held on servers around the world. 4. Does Bitcoin pay real money? There are two main avenues to convert Bitcoin to cash and ultimately move it to a bank account. Firstly, you can use a third-party exchange broker. These third parties, which include Bitcoin ATMs and debit cards, will exchange your Bitcoins for cash at a given rate. It is simple and secure. 5. Does Bitcoin pay real money? There are two main avenues to convert Bitcoin to cash and ultimately move it to a bank account. Firstly, you can use a third-party exchange broker. These third parties, which include Bitcoin ATMs and debit cards, will exchange your Bitcoins for cash at a given rate. It is simple and secure. 6. Who owns the most Bitcoin? Satoshi Nakamoto, the pseudonym for the creator of Bitcoin, is widely considered to have the most Bitcoin wealth. Though Nakamoto has not officially revealed the amount of Bitcoin he holds, estimates predict he has a wallet containing around 1.1 million BTC. 7. How do beginners invest in Bitcoins? You're in luck, as buying Bitcoin is simpler than you might think. Here's 7 how to invest in Bitcoin, in 5 easy steps. Join a Bitcoin exchange. Get a Bitcoin wallet. Join a Bitcoin exchange. Get a Bitcoin wallet. Connect your wallet to a bank account. Place your Bitcoin order. Manage your Bitcoin investments. 8. Why should I buy Bitcoin? A stable, censorship-resistant store of value. Another common reason to invest in cryptocurrency is the desire for a reliable, long-term store of value. Unlike fiat money, most cryptocurrencies have a limited supply, capped by mathematical algorithms. 9. How long can you earn 1 Bitcoin? So the network raises the difficulty of slowing down block production. With today's difficulty rate but much more advanced systems, it may take a solo miner about 10 minutes to mine 1 Bitcoin. The average rate for most miners, however, stands at 30 days. 10. How do I cash out Bitcoins? 8 ways to cash out your Bitcoin. Crypto exchange. Online broker. Bitcoin ATM. Crypto debit card. Peer-to-peer crypto trading. Crypto wallet. Money transfer apps. Spend it at a crypto-friendly business. 11. How hard is it to make 1 Bitcoin? It takes around 10 minutes to mine just 1 Bitcoin, though this is with ideal hardware and software, which isn't always affordable and only a few users can boast the luxury of. More commonly and reasonably, most users can mine a Bitcoin in 30 days. 12. Is Bitcoin a good investment? Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap, is a risky investment with high volatility. It should only be considered if you have a high risk tolerance, are in a strong financial position and can afford to lose any money you invest in it. 13. How do you explain Bitcoin to a child? How do you explain Bitcoin in terms that kids will understand? Bitcoin was designed to make digital payments without relying on money, debit cards or credit cards. However, as banks don't control Bitcoin, the value goes up and down very quickly. 14. What are the 3 types of Bitcoin? Types of crypto tokens. Value tokens. These types of tokens are an object of value, such as a digital asset like art or music in the form of an NFT. Utility tokens. These are tokens that help provide a service. Security tokens. This type of token represents ownership of an asset. 15. What price did Bitcoin start at? In July 2010, Bitcoin began trading at 0.0008 United States dollars, climbing to 8 United States cents by the end of the month. The cryptocurrency then slowly rose into the 10 United States dollars range until it spiked to 250 United States dollars in April 2013. 16. Is Bitcoin worth investing in 2023? The price of Bitcoin and several other leading cryptocurrencies followed a downward trajectory throughout 2023. Rising inflation and interest rates have caused prices of cryptocurrency to fall along with stocks and shares as investors dial down the level of risk they are taking on. 17. What is the minimum to invest in Bitcoins? Not only does the user-friendly platform allow you to open an account without meeting a minimum deposit, but you can invest in Bitcoin from just $1 upwards. 18. Can you sell one Bitcoin? To sell your Bitcoin, you just need to go to an exchange and click to sell your Bitcoin. Then you can choose how much you want to sell and move your cash to a bank. If you want to turn it straight to cash instead, then you should go through a Bitcoin ATM. 19. Can you lose money from Bitcoin? About 3/4 of users are likely to have lost money on their investments in cryptocurrencies, according to data crunched by the Bank for International Settlements (BIS), which charted retail use of crypto exchange apps across 95 countries between 2015–22. 20. Can you make quick money with Bitcoin? It's technically possible to make money by buying and selling Bitcoin within short windows, moving in and out of positions as the market changes. But similar to day trading with stocks, it's far more likely you will lose money this way. 21. What is the safest Bitcoin site? Best exchanges. Best crypto exchanges 2023. The top 5 safest cryptocurrency exchanges. Top decentralized exchanges: eToro, Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, BitBuy, CoinSmart, Bitstamp, OKX. 22. Can you cash Bitcoin at ATM? Cash out at a Bitcoin ATM. In order to make a cash withdrawal and sell your Bitcoin from the ATM, the machine provides a QR code to which you send your Bitcoin. You simply wait a couple of minutes and receive your cash. 23. Can I become a millionaire with Bitcoin? Many people have become millionaires with Bitcoin. You can also join this lucky group by investing in Bitcoin and knowing how to avoid the risks. With predictions showing that Bitcoin's value will increase in the future, investing in it today can eventually make you a millionaire. 24. What happens if I lose my Bitcoin? There is no way to recover Bitcoin that is truly lost. Some mistaken transactions have been refunded, but only when the counterparty personally knows the sender, which is infrequent. If a private key is lost, then Bitcoin belonging to that key is unspendable. 25. Can I buy Bitcoin with little money? The truth is that you can buy as little as $30 worth of Bitcoin and other cryptos. Whether you have 1 Bitcoin, 15 Bitcoins, or 0.01 Bitcoins, you own Bitcoin, and you are equally exposed to the ups and downs. It doesn't matter how much you own. 26. Can I buy Bitcoin with little money? The truth is that you can buy as little as $30 worth of Bitcoin and other cryptos. Whether you have 1 Bitcoin, 15 Bitcoins, or 0.01 Bitcoins, you own Bitcoin, and you are equally exposed to the ups and downs. It doesn't matter how much you own. 27. Can I make a living from Bitcoin? Yes, you can make money with cryptocurrency. Given the inherent volatility of crypto assets, most involve a high degree of risk while others require domain knowledge or expertise. Trading cryptocurrencies is one of the answers to how to make money with cryptocurrency. 28. How much does Bitcoin ATM charge per $1,000? According to research